This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lois Kozak. This concrete block home is waiting for you. Offering 3 bedrooms and 2 baths with a split bedroom floor plan, high ceilings oversee the greatroom that has sliders out to the relaxing lanai. Tile flooring with the exception of 2 bedrooms that have new carpet. The kitchen has wood cabinets with granite countertops, a dual undermount sink along with a dining bar that opens out to the greatroom, so it's great for entertaining. Greet your guests at the front screened entry. Freshly painted interior. A fenced yard with room for a pool plus a large shed for extra storage. New roof installed in 2016 and this home has city water. A Florida find. For more information, review the details below or contact Lois Kozak at 941-426-0755.